but we've come to the car rental place, and because of COVID, they're now closing early. Hi guys, okay, so welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to remember to look at the camera and not at myself, and hopefully my hair's right. So for the first time for me since February, I am going on a plane, and I am so excited. So obviously, because of the coronavirus, no one has been able to travel, to be honest. And now I think lockdown measures have gone, well, they're easing a lot, and I think it's a lot more safe to travel now. So to test the waters, my family and I are traveling to Glasgow. So it's not an international trip, but we are getting on a plane, and I'm so excited, so very excited. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and show you guys what it's like to travel during COVID-19. And at the moment, it's a ghost town. It feels really weird actually, and it's, to be honest, it's not that exciting. There's hardly anybody here. There's no atmosphere. But yeah, we'll see. Ooh, the lighting. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later. Guys, this is my dad's bag. Look at my uncle's bag. And then everyone else. And we struggled to fit our stuff in here. I think my family makes up half the population in this airport, to be honest with you guys. Look, the staff, oh my god, I'm not exaggerating when I say nobody is here. I mean, okay, there's a couple people sitting next to us, but for real, we make up half the visitors in this airport. So that over there is the plane, and this is my family. Not on the plane. In our pure family tradition, we missed it. I'm obviously whispering because it's an incredibly sore subject at the moment. But yeah, I'll update you guys if there's any plans being made. Okay guys, so I have an update for you. When we last spoke, I was excited about our flight, but as my family does, we missed our flight. Basically, security was a hassle, and in the end the gate closed before we arrived. So yeah, we missed our flight. We've been here at Stansted Airport for the last 4 hours maybe, trying to find alternatives like new flights, etc, etc. And long story short, we are going to drive there, but we've come to the car rental place, and because of COVID, they're now closing early. So there's only this Europa that's open, but they don't have a 9-seater. The ones who did have a 9-seater closed hours ago. So now it's a case of going to a hotel, spend the night there, and then come back early morning to get the car and drive to Glasgow. Oh, I think the taxi's here. Oh yeah. Yeah, the taxi's just arrived, so now we are going to the hotel for a good night's sleep.
Yeah, this was the last bin bags.
Nobody's still on my.
Those are bin bags.
Yeah.
That's who we are right now. Okay guys, so my mom and uncle went to McDonald's to go buy us dinner, and they said only drive-through can get Basically, McDonald's wouldn't serve them because they didn't have a car, because we came by taxi. So they had to go to Marks and Spencer, and Marks and Spencer almost didn't serve them because they've run out of bags, so they had to use bin liners.
Boys?
To get, I can't do this year, but this is the adventure you sign up for. I think those are my sausage rolls.
Did they change him? Charlie?
Yeah, that's not Charlie.
It's not, right?
No, it's just a whole different character.
was just sure if I've seen stuff or.
No. In this one, Charlie has died.
Huh?
Charlie has died.
In the actual show?
She wanted him. Alright, hi guys, me again. So, where did we last speak? I can't even keep track of when we last spoke because it's been so chaotic since yesterday. Oh my god. Anyway, we're still at Stansted. We haven't left. We should be out exploring Glasgow, but instead we're still here. So we've left the hotel. We were staying at Holiday Inn. We've now left that and we are at the car rental village. I think you can see that. We're trying to rent a car because we are going to drive to Glasgow. We called ahead, we found a car. They sent a driver to go pick it up from Heathrow Airport and bring it here. He's now stuck in traffic, so he'll be here in like 40 minutes. So we're just chilling. Half the family's here, the other half stayed at the hotel. But yeah, I thought I'd give you guys an update that it is now, I left my phone inside. I think it's now about 12:30 the next day and we're still in Stansted. Like this is, this is the adventure though. Like if it goes right all the time, you're not doing it right. So yeah. But yeah, I thought I'd give you guys an update. So hopefully the next time we speak, we'll be on our way to Glasgow. Fingers crossed. I'll see you guys later. So there you have it. We're still at Stansted Airport waiting to drive 8 hours. Hello. No, you're shy.
No, I want to see your face. I want to see how it looks like from your face.
Okay. But yeah, guys, still at Stansted. Again, hopefully the next time I come back we'll be on the road. I don't know, to be honest. We've now paid, so we have to be on the road.
We've paid. Saying the car has arrived.
Yeah.
The car's arrived.
But we are yet to see the car. We paid for flights. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did pay for flights. We were not on them.
We were not on them, so paying doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna go.
No, it doesn't. But we're positive. And I did say if it's not, it has to be an adventure. If it goes right, you're not doing it right. Yes?
True. Maybe.
Anyway, guys, I'll tune back in when we're on the way. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, Josie's vlog.
Hi guys. So it's been a while since I've been on this channel. I think you guys have forgotten what I look like, but here I am.
And it's been a while since I've been on this channel.
Can you let me vlog? It's been a while since been on here, new, improved, but we've been here for a while now.
They said it half an hour ago.
It's been ages. Oh, I think the car's here now.
Guys, the car is finally here and we are off to Scotland! Woo! Finally.
It's a video.
TikTok money to wait.
I will. All right. My wig.
These are the joys of going by car. You can just whip that wig off.
And borrow it to somebody else.
Oh. Oh. How did I just notice?
Oh, yeah, I noticed.
No, not. Okay, so we just finished. We had a quick break at service stop. We all had McDonald's, and now we are about to start the second leg of the journey. How many hours to go? 4.5 hours to go. Hey guys, so we've just stopped to put some fuel in the car, and literally behind me, look at that. Those are swans, you guys. How random is that? How random. Right by the fuel station. Is this where swans chill? This is a video. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys the swans. So I'm gonna take pictures of my cousin, and then I'll see you guys back in the hotel room because we're almost there. Yay! Guys, we finally arrived at Double Tree Hotel, and this really nice man gave us all these cookies. They're warm and they smell really good, so that was worth it. So guys, we're staying in room 214, but this is great. Look at this. I guess that's just to give you the confidence to know that your room has been cleaned. So here we go. Oh, in here. Oh, that already looks great. You can come in, Joe. I just wanted to show the people that it is safe out here in Glasgow. Oh, that's beautiful. 2 double beds just for us. Honestly. Oh, Lord. Lord. Guys, we are here. Come here.
He's made it, guys.
We're
finally, after a long drive.
I'm so tired. I don't even need to eat. I don't need anything. I just need to get to bed. What time is it? Like, I think it's, yep, it's 11:10.
Yeah.
Ooh, and there's no lighting. But yeah, it's 11:10. We finally made it. Oh, the guy at reception is so lovely. Bless him. He was like, oh, if you want more cookies, you can come down. I was like, thank you.
Some before we go to sleep.
Oh wow. But yeah, no, that's really good. And I really liked that the safety seal before you enter the room. That's quite nice and just reassuring. But yeah, even though we didn't need to wear masks, did we? He wasn't wearing a mask. No one was wearing masks.
Yeah, it seemed as though everyone just knew the rules for social distancing.
Yeah, so far at Glasgow, you know, by the 2 minutes we've been here, yeah, nobody's wearing a mask. We even forgot to wear one.
It's almost like
but
normal.
Yeah, which is okay.
Yeah.
I feel okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm so exhausted. That has been our road trip. It was meant to be a flight, but life happens, so it became a road trip. And we're here. We are
finally
in
made
Scotland. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Consider subscribing because there will be more coming up.
Don't forget guys, notification bell as well. Notification bell.
Alright, and comment down below guys, what do you think? Were we better off driving instead of flying? I don't know, maybe God was saving us from something.
Maybe.
Who knows? But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.